Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us first understand the key concept here. Enantiomeric excess, E, measures the excess of one enantiomer over the other, expressed as a percentage of the total mixture. Formula: E is equal to moles or mass of major enantiomer, moles or mass of minor enantiomer, total mass of both enantiomers, times 100. Since both enantiomers are the same compound, 2-butanol, with the same molar mass, we can use masses directly. Moving on to the next step. Identify the masses. Mass of plus 2-butanol is equal to 6G, major enantiomer. Mass of dash 2-butanol is equal to 4G, minor enantiomer. Total mass is equal to 6 plus 4 equals 10G. And for the final step, apply the enantiomeric excess formula. E is equal to 6 to 4, 6 plus 4 times 100. E is equal to 10 times 100. E is equal to 20%. Why other options fail? A. 10%. This would result if the difference were 1G out of 10G, which is incorrect. C. 40%. This would result if someone incorrectly used 6 to 4, 5 times 100 or some other wrong denominator. D. 33%. This would result if someone incorrectly calculated 2/6 times 100 using only the major enantiomer mass as denominator. The correct calculation gives E is equal to 6 to 4, 6 plus 4 times 100 is equal to 2/10 times 100 is equal to 20%. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.